Okay, gagawin dito. Yan. Mintran, clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court. Sa una pa nga basketball. Tabi ng basketball court yun.
Huh?
Katabi ng swimming.
Dalawa ka ba?
Clubhouse muna yan. Hindi.
Playground.
Clubhouse pa lang to. Tapos wala pa yung basketball court. Wala pa yung swimming pool. Mayroon children swimming pool, jogging.